Okay, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Maing Adlaw sa Tanan. Okay, today, still we will answer some examples on how to evaluate limits using the basic theorems that we have. Okay? So, we have here 3 examples. This is a continuation to our video a while ago. Okay. Okay, evaluate the following limits. Okay, number 1. Limit of 3x minus 7 as x approaches 2. So, how to evaluate this? Okay. Now, this is the difference of two limits. In other words, to answer it simply, you just need to substitute the value of your x, which is approaches 2. Okay? You get it? Or, you can have, you will distribute the limit. You can have the limit of 3x as x approaches 2 minus, kasi minus to dito, limit of 7 as x approaches 2. Okay. Okay. Then, you can rewrite the left side, this one, remove out the constant, 3 limit of x as x approaches 2 minus limit of 7 as x approaches 2. Then, as you observe, no, kung hindi nyo titingnan yung 3, ano ba yung masasabi nyo sa limit dito sa first term? This is what? Limit of what? Limit of an identity. So, ano ibig sabihin? Isa-substitute lang natin si x equal to 2 dito, no? This is 3. Okay, now. Okay, di na lang. What is your answer here? No, without looking at 3. Limit of x as x approaches 2. Limit of identity, di ba? You will have 2, correct? Minus, what is the limit of 7 as x approaches 2? Limit of a constant. So, this is just 7. Okay? So, simplify further. You have 3 times 2, 6. Minus 7. So, that is equal to negative 1. Okay? Kung magaling na kayo, pwede nyo na rin itong dire-diretso, no? Si 2. Dito nyo ilagay kay x, no? So, 3 times 2, 6. Minus 7, that is negative 1. Okay? So, you have here. Dito, kung magaling na kayo, sige daw. You have, substitute negative 2. Diba? Para mas madali lang. Hindi na lang. Gawin natin, distribute natin si limit. Limit of x squared as x approaches negative 2 plus, ito si 2x. Limit of 2x as x approaches negative 2 plus limit of 4 as x approaches negative 2. Okay. Okay. So, simplify. Dali lang na to eh. Pwede rin nyo lang sabihin dyan, negative 2 squared plus 2 times negative 2 plus, what is the limit of 4 as x approaches negative 2? The limit of a constant. So, that is 4. Correct? So, simplify further. What is negative 2 squared? Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 plus 4. So, what is our final answer here? Ma-cancel natin. 4 minus 4 is 0. So, you have 4 na lang. Okay? Very easy, correct? How about si kay number 3? No? Kung master na kayo, sa substitute nyo lang si x equal to sa may value dyan. That is 2 times 1 cube minus 6 times 1 plus 5. Bakit plus 5 lang? Kasi the limit of constant is the constant itself, correct? So, ito, 2 times 1. So, 2 lang yan, no? Minus 6 plus 5. So, 7 minus 6, you have 1. Okay? Madali lang, ano? That's how we apply this. Okay, I'll give you another example to that. Dapat may marami tayong mga examples. No?
Lakasan.
Dapat marami tayong examples. I'll give you another example. Okay. Example number 4. The limit of a quotient, limit of 4x over minus 5 over 5x plus 1 as x approaches 3. Okay. The limit of 4x minus 5 over 5x plus 1 as x approaches 3. Now, kung titingnan natin itong fraction na to, or rational expression na to, wala nang common ang numerator at saka denominator. So, all we need to do is to apply using the limit theorem, no? So, you could have, this is equivalent to the limit of 4x minus 5 as x approaches 3 over the limit of 5x plus 1 as x approaches 3. Okay. So, without looking the denominator, di ba para na rin siyang example number 1 natin? Without looking at the numerator, para na rin siyang example 1 natin. No? I-apply natin yan. Kung magaling na kayo, by studying our previous examples, dire-diretso lang. Pwede nyo itong gawin. 4 times 3 minus 5 over 5 times 3 plus 1. No? Para madali lang. Okay? So, simplify. What is 4 times 3? That is 12. Then, minus 5. Over 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1. Diba? So, simplify further. What is 12 minus 5? 7 over 15 plus 1, you have 16. So, yan na yan. Yung final answer natin. Diba? Madali lang, ano? Ay, sorry. Hindi makita. Yan lang yan. What else? Ito. Sample 5. The limit of 3x minus 1 over 9x squared plus 5x minus 2 as x approaches negative 1. Okay. Yan. Before we would answer this, try to analyze, no? If may common ba, pwede bang makancel ang numerator kung ipa-factor natin si denominator? Pero wala silang common dito eh. Then we can now directly operate. Pwede na nating sagutin yan. Agad-agad. Okay, so you have here. Kung master na kayo ha, I presume, just substitute the value of x. 3 times negative 1 minus 1 over 9 negative 1 squared plus 5 times negative 1 minus 2. Kuha ka ng kanin. Tingnan. Tingnan. Kasi tuloy-tuloy si Laza. Ba? Tapos na ako dito eh. So, simplify. What is 3 times negative 1? Negative 3 minus 1 over 9. Negative 1 squared is 1 minus 5 minus 2. So you have negative 4 over 9 minus 7. Okay, sorry. Okay. Negative 4 over 9 minus 7 is 2. So negative 4 divided 2 is negative 2. Okay. Ganyan lang yan kasimple. No? I hope may na-learn kayo. So, ano pa ba ang pwede nating example dito? Ito, para marami yung examples natin. Example, I hope may na-learn kayo sa mga examples natin. I'll give you another examples. Okay. Example number 6. You have the limit of x squared minus 49 over x minus 7 as x approaches 7. Okay. Now, in this particular example, tingnan nyo. Yung numerator is x squared minus 49. It is a difference of 2 squares, no? If you could still recall your algebra. Okay. Now, the denominator is x minus 7. Now, tingnan nyo nga, kung x is approaching 7, kung 7 ang ilagay nyo dito, 7 minus 7 is 0. So, kung i-divide mo yan, ma-undefined yan. Diba? Kung ito si 7, i-replace nyo dito, so, ang mangyayari, 7 minus 7 yan sa denominator, magiging 0. So, any number or expression divided by 0 is undefined. So, ang gagawin natin dito, ipa-factor natin si numerator, no? The limit as x approaches 7, this is difference of 2 squares. So, x plus 7 times x minus 7 all over x minus 7. Diba? Ito yung factor ng numerator because this is difference of 2 squares. So, importante talaga na ma-recall pa natin si algebra, especially factoring. Okay. So, dito may common na. Si x minus 7, no? So, makakancel natin yan. Makancel natin yan. So, what is left? The limit of x plus 7 as x approaches 7. Okay? So, dito madali lang yan. Substitute. So, 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Okay? I hope may na-learn kayo dito. Salamat. And thank you for watching. Amping tapermi. Okay, hindi maklaro. Okay, yan. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share that to your friends. Thank you.